this is Nathan and welcome back to another video. Today is open up toys or eggs. Today we're opening up eggs and, well, toys. We got like Hot Wheels, Lock Stars, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Unicorn Gliders, eggs, and much more that you can't really see. If I can, I'll show you that up there. It's a red egg. That's gonna be probably the last thing we open. But let's start off by opening. I find it a bit of a struggle to choose what to open. Let's start off by opening. So many choices. That's so hard. Let's start off by opening this. It's a little happy guy. Let's open him up. Oh, look how cute that is. He's very stretchy. I think I have another one like this somewhere. I think it's in my school bag. Yeah, it's in my school bag. It's very dirty, but it's kind of like flat. This one's a lot different to it. It definitely feels the exact same. That is very fun to play with. Now that was just a little thing. Next we're gonna open up Hot Wheels. A duck Hot Wheel, which it's honestly pretty cool to be honest. Let's open it up. Sorry if one just see me open stuff. Okay, let's clear out the rubbish. And there it is. It's a duck Hot Wheel car. It's actually kind of cute, not gonna lie. Let's put it over there. Next, let's open. How? Oh, I guess if this fell, we're gonna go for Unicorn Gliders next. Oh. Let's see which one we got. Also, let's have a look. You can get a blue, pink, purple, or yellow one. It looks like we got the pink, purple one. I'm trying not to knock anything over. Okay. Wow, this looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Okay, okay, let's put this together. Now there should be something else in here. Well, there we go, guys. That is... wait. Boom! Look at that! That looks very nice. We got the purple unicorn. What should we open next? So like we open some blind bags. Let's see. So like we open up some toys. I think it's time we open an egg. What egg should we open? We have a few eggs to choose from, but I think I'm gonna go for the green one because it's the tiniest. Let's shake it, guys. Oh, what is inside? Oh, what did we get? We got a emoji rubber, and it's the hand one, the friend rubber. Huh. I think it's kind of cool. Oh, bit rubbery. Sorry about that. We're running out of stuff to open. I feel like next we should open up. Well, we've opened a lot of stuff. Let's go for another egg. Let's open up this one. I don't hear anything. Oh my God! It's a dolphin. Oh, it's a pink dolphin. It's a stretchy pink dolphin. Look at that. And it's squidgy. Squidgy. Ugh, I don't really like that. Now that, I don't like the squidgy bit, but I like stretching it. That is very, very nice. Okay, what should I open next? Let's put everything else in view. We got a few more eggs and a few more toys. I think next we're gonna open up Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Blind bag. Let's see what we can get. We can get the master. I can't read any of that, so you guys are gonna have to tell me in the comments. Oh my God. Boom. Here it is. It's a story. Oh, it's a little story. But Phil, what's the character we got? Look at that, we got that one right there. That one right there. Now that is okay, we got this guy. Should we open up a egg next or the last toy? Guys, you've been waiting for it. Not waiting for it. You know what? We have 3 more eggs and 1 toy. Let's open up the next egg. Oh, what the hell is inside of this big boy? Let's open it up. Oh my God! It's a snow globe. It's a dragon snow globe. Kitty. That's one of my favorites, I think. I'm hoping the red egg has something really nice in it. Next, let's open up this. Yoko with 2 fleshy souls. Now, maybe just look like a 3DS case. But there's something inside of it. Grab it. I thought you might not believe me, but there is something inside of it. Here we go. Ooh, we got 2 things. I still like the case. I might keep that. We got a, I don't know what that is. It's like a reindeer and Rocky from Paw Patrol. Cool. I don't think that's going to stand. Okay, I can just lay it down like that. There we go, another 2 new toys. Next, let's open up this. The final egg. What's inside? Now this is the biggest egg of them all. Let's see what's inside. A car! It's a purple car. And it auto drives itself. Well, not auto drive it. You have to pull it. Whee! Now then, the last thing we have to open is that. I'm not excited to open that. It's going to take a while to open. Come here. It's Rockstar Surprise Egg. There we go. We've opened it up. Take the toy out. What's this? Something just fell. I'm gonna ignore it. We've got a checklist. We've got a checklist for all. Oh my god! We've got a checklist for all of these guys. A checklist for all of the characters. Looks like we got the panda. Right there, we got the panda. We got a wand. And that's it. We got our hair. And 2 little keys that can go inside of her. Honestly, that's pretty cool. I should take that out. surprise is this? Let's see what we got. Oh, that's cute. Now that's actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. How do they do this stuff? It's so adorable. But that's it. But no, it's actually not. Before I even did my outro, there's actually one more thing hidden in this video that I have yet to open. Now you're probably looking around like, huh? What is that you have not yet opened? You've already opened everything in view. Like, you've already opened up everything in view, Nathan. What else could that be to open? One more thing stands out. Doesn't it? Nah, I'm just joking. There's nothing else to open. Yeah, there's like nothing else to open. I was just making a joke. Get Frank. You thought there was something else here. And if you thought the candle, yeah, no. The candle's a holder for all this stuff. I don't think I would make that or something. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!